If you don't like how the right pane looks like on the new Yahoo Mail layout, this is what you're going to do to remove it. So if you don't like the look of this right side panel, you're just going to have to follow all of these steps to remove it. So first step, you're just going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com, and then from your dashboard or your inbox, you're just going to head over to the left side panel. From here, you're going to click on the three dots icon right here or the more, and then from here, you're going to click on settings. Now, once you're on your settings page, you're just going to head over to Appearance tab. And then from the Appearance page, you're going to scroll down until you find this Message Layout section. So in order for you to remove this right here, you can either choose List or Bottom. For me, I choose List because this one actually has a much simpler look and looks much cleaner. Now, once you click on that, you're just gonna head back to the left side panel and then click on Inbox. Now from here, you can see that the right side panel is no longer here. It is just the email, and once you click on them, you will get a preview of the email. And that's it. That is how you're going to remove the right side pane on your Yahoo Mail new layout. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.